Creating a meeting inside a Capsule CRM is a straightforward process that can help businesses organize their schedules and appointments. With the calendar function in the CRM, users can add meetings and connect their Google Calendar to sync their schedules. To start, log into the account and navigate to the home screen, where a calendar icon is located at the top left. Clicking on this icon will bring up the calendar view, where meetings can be added in two ways: by clicking on Add Task at the top right or by hovering over a specific date. Either method will open a taskbar where a meeting can be added, including a description, date, and time. The description can be brief or more detailed by clicking on Add More Detail to include additional information. The date and time of the meeting can be adjusted, and if the meeting is recurring, a repeat option can be selected, choosing from daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly intervals. A category can also be assigned to the meeting, such as a call or email, or a custom category can be created. Additionally, the meeting can be assigned to other team members or linked to a project or contact. Once all the details are filled in, clicking Save will create the meeting, which will then be visible in the calendar view. If the Google Calendar is connected, the meeting will also be synced to the Google Calendar, making it accessible on other devices.